abbr genuinely provides a real expansion tooltip. Time genuinely marks a real machine-readable date. Mark genuinely highlights real relevant text. In this video you'll use all three. Title genuinely provides the real full expansion, shown as an actual native tooltip on hover. Datetime genuinely provides a real, machine-readable ISO date, separate from the actual human-readable visible text. Mark genuinely highlights this real text with a default yellow background, drawing actual visual attention to it. abbr with title genuinely provides a real hover tooltip expansion. Time with datetime genuinely provides a real machine-readable date. Mark genuinely highlights real text with a default background color. Markup a real abbreviation, a date, and highlighted text on one page. Ready to use real subscript and superscript text.